Hi young readers, now let's read ORT book with Teacher Ja. Oxford Reading 3 Cats series created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Victor. Wow, Keeper is wearing a cat costume. I am Pet. I am a cat. Wow, a grey cat. I am Sam. I am a cat. I am Pam. I am Tam. Cats. Wow, everyone becomes a cat when wearing a cat costume. I am Matt. I am Matt the cat. I am Keeper. I am at the top. Wow, it's a cat show. I am Tom. I am not a cat. What do you think? Is it Tom a cat or a dog? I am Keeper. I am the top cat. Wow, Keeper become a top cat or become a leader from the cat. Okay, that's all from me. Bye. Thank you.